Hi guys, welcome to Fun with Java. So today I'm going to be teaching you some basic introduction to Java. As you all know, Java is one of the most popular programming language in the world. It is used for various things such as mobile applications, especially Androids, desktop application, web applications, games, and also database connection. It works on different platforms such as Windows, Mac, Linux, and also Raspberry Pi. So all Java programs are classified into Java application and Java applet. Java application is a standalone Java program that can be executed independently of any web browser, which means it can be run directly on your own machine, whereas Java applet is a program designed to be executed under a Java-capable browser. Without further ado, let's make our first program in Java. So let's try the first example. In Java, when we want to make a project, there is always a package here. So a package is where all your class can be stored in. So a class is a container for any related function. It's basically we use class to organize our codes, just like products are organized in the supermarket. For example, we have sections like vegetables, fruits, and cleaning product, and so on. So in this project, our project is Hello World, and it has a source package. And this is the package, and this is our main class. So this is the main class. And inside a package, there will always a lot of classes. So main class is where your code can be run. But when you press run, Java will automatically refer to the main class of your code. Okay? So let's try the first example. Let's say you want to print Hello World. So just type in this syntax. System dot out. Okay, Hello World. Okay, when you press run, it will display the output Hello World. And also note that in Java, codes are read line by line. And let's say you want to print another sentence. Let's say this is fun. So when we run, Java will read line by line from top to bottom. So that's how Java runs a program. Let's try another one. So yay. Run it. Hello world, this is fun. Yay. Alright, that's for the first example. So now I'm gonna teach you the first basic syntax in Java, which is comment. A comment can be used to explain Java code and make it more readable. It can be also used to prevent execution when testing alternative code. It's like you want to explain your code and make it more readable for any programmer or for yourself. And Java won't read anything within the comment. It's just used for programmers to see itself. So the syntax is double slash. So let's say you want to remind yourself that this line is for printing. So you can just type double slash and say this is for printing. And you can also make it like this. This is a comment. It's like that. Java won't read anything within the line in the comment. Alright? So when you run, see, it will not do anything in here because this is just for programmers to see. And another thing is, it can be useful. Let's say you don't want to use this code. but you also don't want to delete it. You want to use it for later on. So you can just put double slash here, and it will become a comment itself. See, this line will be turned into a comment, and Java will not gonna read it. It's only for you to read it, programmers to read it. Okay, and also, what if you want to comment the whole code itself, this block of code itself? Okay, you may think you can just do it like this, but somehow when the code is too long, it will become troublesome. So instead of doing that, we can just use Java multi-line comment. The function is the same as the command, single line command, but it can be used for multi-lines. And multi-line command starts with slash star and ends with star and slash. Any text between this will be ignored by Java. So it's like this. You can just slash star here and star slash here. So see, the whole block itself turns into a comment. So when you run it, Java won't read anything within this line because it turns into a comment. So that's all for today. I hope you understand, and thanks for watching.